Step on number 22, wait. Inilabas. 14-second shot clock. Pineda ulit. Number 20, Ramos. Ipinilit. Kaso wala. Agawan sa rebound. There's the line violation. Lion now. Lion setting a play. Lion to the weak side. The bumper wide open. Wala. O yan, ng team ng Griffins. Number 31, Macariola. Macariola now, side stepping, moving. Kaso wala. 8 minutes exactly tayo pa sa ating opening quarter. Lion now. Lion pa rin. Lion cross. Lion extra pass sa ilalim. Fernandez. Big. Fire. Wala tinamaan. Lead pass. Number 9. Layosa. Good for you. Score natin 7-4. Tanong kalamangan para sa team ng Griffins. Lion, bounce back, 2-1-4, mabalik ang bola kay Lion. Lion now, extra pass, Ocampo, 10 on a shot clock, masusundatan. Ang gandang defensa pinapakita, intercepted yan yung Ocampo. Lion sa 3, Lion, 3. Score natin, deadlock tayo, first deadlock of the whole game. Papiso-piso, long two, wala. Big rebound, Ocampo. 3 pass, Mr. Lion. Lion now, Lion pump. There's a whistle, there's a blocking foul. Foul committed to number 7-7. First personal foul on you, Mr. Pineda, and a first foul. Ocampo to Lion, babalik ang bola kay Ocampo, 14 on the shot clock. Lion na naman sa 3, Lion! Wheel! Change big ball na tayo. 10-7 kalamangan para sa team ng TBD. Big rebound. Lion. Lion to Fernandez. Fernandez, good for you. Score natin 7-12. 6 minutes, 3 seconds. Change 5, be ready. Number 20, aamba sa 3. In and out. O yan, Mr. Lion. Lion na naman. Yes, sir. 14-7, kalahati. Number 31. Kick out pass. Number 9, number 22. Ramos sa 3. Wala. O yan, para sa team ng PPD. Mr. Fernandez, lazy layup. Wala. O yan, team of Griffins. 5 minutes, 28 seconds. Number 77, Pineda. Pass to the number. Wala. Ibiglang inala. Pabigting yung rebound to Mr. Lion. Lion. 4 versus 2. Okay, sa baba. Foul number 31. First personal foul on you, number 31, Macariola. Second team foul. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Change 5, be ready na yan. Okay, change 5 na natin, sir. Change 5 na yan, change 5 na. Isa lang, sir. Okay, meron tayong technical. Pito lang, sir, yung briefings. Award na natin, sir. Award na natin. Technical shot, wala. Number 20, good for 2 points. Another 9-14. Number 28, binigay pass, Kasangan. Joshua Kasangan, 15 on the shot clock. Sarmiento, 8, pass, wrong 3, wala. Mananatili sa team ng TPT. Arcilia, reverse shot, kaso wala. Number 1, Sandoval. Sandoval now. Speed, move, extra pass. Ipinasa sa kalaban. Late pass, Pasangan. Sandoval. Looking for his teammate, the number 31. Pineda, big, far, long two, winning out, number 5. Gusto pa rin yan. Nagwas sa rebound, number 20. There's a whistle. Foul committed number 12, Michelle Arcina. First personal foul on your first team foul. First strike muna. Second strike. Wala pa rin. Basangan. Long play, wala. Number 27, Pineda. Pineda now. Pineda, kinaliwa, wala. Kuya ni Mr. Basangan. Si Mr. Tablaro. Lipas, intercepted. Lupa rin yan, number 20. Mr. Agunos. Agunos na naman. Good for 2 points. Requesting timeout. Para sa Viva TVT. Score natin 11-14. Sandoval. There's a whistle. Foul committed the number 7-8 ba? First personal foul on you, Declaro. Second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Sandoval, quick pass to the center, number 20. Agunas, mabibitawan ng bola. Arcilia, binigay pass to Mr. Pacho. Pacho now, the right, look for 2 points. Angat sa pito, 11-18. Number 20, Agunas, wala. Wala pa rin. Big rebound para sa team ng TPT. Number 28, Declaro. Sarmiento, sa tres, wala. Number 1, Sandoval rebound. Sandoval now. Sandoval pa rin. Sandoval biglang tumira sa 3, in and out. Kuya na tira TPT. Isa Declaro. Binigay pa. Sarmiento na iwan ang bukas. Kaso wala pa rin. Inaalam pa si Mr. Sarmiento. Put back. Arcilia. May napasabit. Foul committed to number 1, Mr. Sandoval. First personal foul on you. 13 foul. Okay, that was the timeout para sa team. Second try, pasok pa rin yan. So natin 11 to 20. Sandoval looking for a screen. 15 second shot clock. Number 77. Mr. Pineda. Pineda, long two, wala. Number 5, one rebound. Number 20. Naiwanan. Kaso wala pa rin. Pineda pa rin. Big bang. Kung ataking inabot. 5 second shot clock. Good for 2 points. Coming from number 20. This one natin. Pito na lang. Arcia, big, 15 on the shot clock, Pasaman, clear. Number 27 for 2 points. Last 55 seconds tayo. Kim Marcilla, punatalang ng inabot, pero doon pa rin yan, Pasaman. Wala. Agad pa rin sa rebound ito. Same ball tayo. 10 second shot clock tayo. 10 second shot clock. 10 seconds to cheer. 14 second shot clock. Mr. Sarmiento. 15-26. Last 34 seconds, number 1, Sandoval, kick out pass, Pineda. Pineda, babawi sa 3 shots, wala. Kuha yan ng team ng Griffins, number 5. Ang gandang pasa sa ilalim, tutubo na lang, good for 2. Wala na tayong shot clock, wait for the buzzer. 18 seconds. Good luck yan. Last 8 seconds. 3 seconds. First place. Second quarter, good luck. Sam! Number 22. Number 22. Kick up pass. Number 9. Wala pa rin yan. Kuya para sa team ng TPD. Lion. Lionel. Backdoor pass. Masyadong malakas. Ramos lead pass to number 5. Yes, sir. 19-28. Lion, binigay pass. 15 on the shot clock. Babalik ang bola kay Lion. 10 second shot clock. Lion, binigay pass. Number 12, nabibitawan ang bola. Number 12 pa rin. Big. 3 second shot clock. Tumama yan. Kaya ng team ng Griffin. Binigay pass. Number 2. Number 5, wala. Gusto misaw. Maikaw tayo. Tiyamingal tayo. Sinabihan na kanina, sir. Sir, rep. muna natin mga blesser, papasukin muna natin lahat. Sir, maraming salamat po. Okay, blackboard tayo. Walang napasok sa sila.
Pare.
Nilalamig pa. Lion now. Lion setting a play. Lion. Bidding pass. About pass to his teammate. Jump on a shot clock. Inside pass. The Russian counter. Wala. Tapi. Wala. Rebound pass to 3-pin. To number 2. Number 2, cross na. Naiwanan ng depensa with for 2 points, 21-28. Lion, number 25, number pass. Low 3, wala. Kaya para sa team mag-review. Number 2. Number 2, now up step and fire. Kaso wala. Rebound pa rin para sa team mag-review. Number 5, na press, wala pa rin. Kuya, Mr. Lion. Out of bounds. Number 2 now. Number 2, biglang sumubok sa tres. Kaso wala. Number 5, good block. Wala pa rin yan. Basta. Number 2, the beat, rebound. Lion. Lion, diretso. Good for 2. Ramos, setting a play. Ramos. To the corner, finds the 3. Number 5, Queer. Number 25, Soto now. Soto. Nagkaroon ng papasahan. Mr. Basa. To the B, number 25. Good for 2 points. Number 2. Diretso. Good for 2 points. Binubutusan lang. Ball tayo. Second shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 72, may nabigwit. Foul committed to number 77, pushing foul. Mr. Bata, first personal foul on you in the first team foul. First try, Mr. Castillo, wala. Second try, pasok. 27-32, 5 lang. Number 29, Lion, binigay pass, fake, drives, ipinilat niya sa bola. Rebound pa rin sa team ng TPT, Mr. Lion, the point guard. Lion now, Lion, extra pass, wala. Ako sa rebound, it's a simple. The second shot clock. Second shot clock. Number 77, pasa sa tres. Iniluwa pa. Kuya Tino Dribbit, number 22. Ramos, pass, tanggalin. Wala. 5 minutes, 30 seconds, change by be ready. Lion, extra pass. May bawang tayo. Foul committed number 72. Mr. Castillo, first personal foul. First team foul. Isang basa, fake, drive, long two, wala. Rebound, para sa team ng Dribbit. Number 2, tanggalin. Tanggalin, extra pass. Number 5, wala. Big rebound. Change 5, hila dito. Mr. Lion. Lion out, diretso. In the basket, and 1. Foul committed to number 72. Second personal foul on your second team foul. Okay, change 5 wala.
Yan yung partner ka?
There's a black foul number 6. First personal foul on your second team foul. Seconds shot clock. Sandoval, biglang tumilas sa 3. Mas wala. Sarmiento ka na ngayon. Intercepted. Number 31. Extra pass, number 1, Sandoval looking for Dio. 31-36. 5 na lang. Arcilia. Ipinilit. Ibang tayo. Foul number 1, Sandoval. Pushing foul on you. Second personal foul on you. And a third team foul. 2 shots tayo para Mr. Patio. Second try, wala. Big rebound pass sa team of Dribbit. Number 1, Sandoval now. Sandoval, the point guard. Sandoval is stop. Kick out to the weak side. 15 seconds shot clock. Almost intercept. Number 20. Mamamain sana. Nabitawan. It's a TPT ball. Number 6, Fernandez. Fernandez, binigay pass. Arcilla. D. Taas. Napalakas. Sa number 1, Mr. Sandoval. Binigay pass. Number 31, Macariola, Sandoval, 10 on the shot clock. Sandoval sa 3, Sandoval, clear! Let's go natin, 34-36. Dalawa lang. Number 6, Fernandez. Pinigay pa, Sarmiento. Sarmiento looking for his teammate. 15 on the shot clock. Arcilla. Fake. Drive. Pinasabay kaso wala. 8 second shot clock. Sarmiento. Wala. Mananatili sa TPT. Fernandez long view. Yes, sir. 38-34. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Sandoval looking for a screen. Sandoval now. 10 second shot clock. Nabitawan, intercepted. Si Serpancho. Binigay pass. Sarmiento. Fernandez. Yung step. Fernandez pa rin. Good pa rin yan. Good for you. Nakatawag bigla si Mr. Fernandez. 34-40. Number 1, Sandoval. Nabitawan ang bola. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Sarmiento. Binigay pa. Arcilla. Kaso wala. There's a whistle. Foul on your jersey number 6. Fernandez. Second personal foul. 77 para sa White. Mr. Pineda. Dalawa ka na rin. And a warning for penalty. Simple tayo for control ng Blackster. Set the big team! 43-34. Exactly 1 minute. Sandoval, 15 on the shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 7 on the shot clock. 5 intercepted. Fernandez. There's a whistle. It's a 3-ball double. Last 41 seconds tayo. 41 seconds. Mr. Pineda. Bola lang. Number 20. 15 on the shot clock. There's a whistle. Foul committed to number 67. First personal foul on your big team. Warning for penalty na rin kayo. First right, pasok. Second try, wala. Last 27 seconds. Masyado mataas. Last 20 seconds tayo. Wala na tayong shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. 20 segundo. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9 seconds yan. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Nine seconds tayo. Wait for the buzzer. 9 seconds. Buta ka. 5 seconds tayo. Point 8 lang yan. Point 8. Point 8. Black ball tayo, black ball yan.
Okay, ready? Second up na po tayo, ha? Okay, ready? Wait lang.
Number 11, ang Silya mula. Rebound yan, coming from number 5, Mr. Landagan. Bigay pass, number 2, to number 22, number 6 mula. Mr. Arcilia, bigay pass. Mr. Lion. Lion now, ipinilid. Lion, number 2. Number 27, Cross. Binigay pass, intercepted, pasahan. Binigay pass, extra pass. Intercepted dyan, Mr. Tanggalin. Counter seal naman ni Mr. Pasangan, Lion. David, wala. Mr. Arcilia, it's a traveling, kita-kita yan. Requesting by now, para sa team ng Griffins. Number 77. Three pass, number 5. 1-2. Mula. Rebound, Lion. Lion, napakabilis. Lion, diretso, namin naman. Tumama pa sa paa. Three pass. Isang tanggalin. Sangalin niyo. Sangalin sa 3. Wala. 57 shot clock, number 20, home team. Wala pa rin yan. Pakampo ang gabi yun. Pakampo. Binigay pass. Mr. Lion. Lion now. Declaro. Declaro sa 3. Declaro. Clear. Eight seconds na tayo, sir. 8 seconds na.
Ready?
40 seconds na lang yan. Number 29, Lion. Pasangan. Arcilia sa 3. Pass wala. Number 20, on the bound. Lead pass. Number 5, Mr. Landagan. Pass wala. Put back to the lead. Number 2. 37. 48. On si Bayan. Mr. Lion. Binigay pass. Declaro sa 3. Wala. Big rebound para sa team ng Griffin. Big pass. Landagan. Almost musik na po. Landagan. Nagang napapasaan. Pineta. Pinaliwa. Mas wala. Kuya ni Mr. Lion. Declaro. Declaro to team Arcilia. Nakala ang inabot. Hindi na pwede yan. Sabi para sa team ng Griffin. Ang team with 40 points. Isa Arcilia. Kick out pass. Declaro. 10 on the shot clock. Wala. Rima pa sa team ng Griffin. Mr. Landagan. One first small situation. Wala. Declaro to Lion. Lion down. Lion. Alright, good. Pass intercepted by Arcilia. Wala. Inalat si Mr. Arcilia. Number 22, Mr. Ramos. Number 20, extra pass. Tanggalin in the basket and home. Basket count tayo, bro. committed to number 78, Mr. Diablaro. Second personal foul on you. First team foul, Santa. Pina down. Arsi down. Santa. Agun is down. Boris Wise is 42, 50, walang kalap yan. Mr. Declaro, tumasakan. Babalik ang bola. Mr. Declaro, 12 second shot clock. Down to 10, she count. Basakan. 7 on the shot clock. Declaro, 3 wala. Agawan sa rebound, kuya ng team ng TPT. Declaro. Lion, pinasabay. Number 4, Campo. At may napasabit. Foul committed with number 3. 1. Mr. Macariola, second personal foul on you. First team foul. First drive, Zero Campo, pasok yan. Second drive, pasok pa rin. Score natin 42-52. Angat ulit sa 10. Mr. Tangalin. Tangalin sa step, ginamitan, wala. Kuya, Mr. Campo. Tumasangan. Basangan niya, Declaro. Declaro, stop, pass. Declaro, wide open. Bang! Nasa Wiesel. Foul number 8, September. Number 4 now. Tatlo ka na, Declaro. The second team fouls, September. September, basangan na. Mr. Tangalin. Tangalin na babawi sa 3, Kasula. Lion on the bell. Lion, binigay pass. Mr. Pacho. Yes, sir. Napakabilis. Number 31, Macariola. Number 22, Mr. Ramos. Binigay pass. Landagan. Yes, sir. Mr. Lion. Mr. Pacho. Number 29, Lion siya naman. Nasusubong Kasula. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ramos, Mariola. Good for you. 47-57. Depende sa atin. Intercepted. Number 5. Wala. Good pa rin yan. Good lang yan. Tapos si Kaya. Para sa Lion, binigay pass, Pacho. Number 25. Wala yan. Exactly 2 minutes tayo, Landagan. Landagan, stop and bar. Using the left foot back. May May napasabit. Foul committed to number 2. 5. First personal foul on New Soto. 30 foul. Second try, wala pa rin. Kaya para sa team ng TPT, tatay ka muna. Lion, ibinali pa sa area kasi wala. Kaya ang team ng Philippines, nag-aaral na papasahan. Almost intercept. Kaya ang Mr. Bacho, siya naman, good 20 points. Score natin 59-49, balik sa 10. Monty, 27 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Kamalin sa 3. Kamalin. Clear. 52-59. Almost intercept. Isa Kamalin. Number 0. Good for 2 points. Last 57 seconds. Ang katapat sa ilalim sa Sarmiento, good for Tio. 54-61. Last 40 seconds. Sandoval. Binigay pass. Kamalin. It's a drop lane. Last 31 seconds tayo. Pag-16, binigay pass, Lion. Good for 2 points tayo, last 20 seconds. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2. Number 1, Sandoval, binigay pass. Intercepted, Fernandez. Sarmiento, wala. Kuya, para sa Tino. Nasulisang, nasulaki, foul. Foul related to number 20, Mr. Sarmiento. First personal foul on you. First team foul. Isang Kamalin. Kamalin ang wala. Ang gawa sa bola, kuya ng PBT. Lead pass. Fernandez. Give for Tio. 58-63. Number 1, Sandoval. Second team foul. Good for 2 points. Number 2, Nangaling, wala. Good for 2 points, number 31. Lion, dahan-dahan lang, sir. Number 31, good for 2 points. 62, 65. Tatlo na lang. Sa backboard. Sa tarap. Let's sum up. Kuya, Mr. Fernandez. Fernandez ang palakas. Kuya ng team ng Griffin. Number 77, Andreas, wala. Dignigaw. Arsilia, Ligas, Lion. Lion na ang ginamitan ng side circle for Dio. 67, 62 ang matulit sa 5. Number 1, Sandoval, giving it pass, Tangalin. Tangalin, number 20. Susunod sa press, Kasulay, Tartawin Isang. Simple tayo, foul number 20, Mr. Sarmiento. Second personal foul on you and 13 foul. Number 2, Tangalin. Number 7, Pineda sa press. Wala tinamaan, nagawa sa rebound. Hindi tumamaan sila. Fernandez, nagmamadali. Fernandez! Manang baby na foul. Foul committed to number 2. First personal foul on you, Mr. Tangalin. First team foul. Second try, pasok. Sa tarap. Sino sa besar? Sige, number 1 out. Number 77, Pineda now. Pineda, after pass. Dandaga, mabibitawan ng bola. Pineda ng dropper. Pineda is being extra pass. Number 20, big power with Padu. Napakaangas na galaw. Lion, Andreas, wala. Rebound pa sa team ng Griffin. Nabitawan. Agawan sa bola. Kuya Mr. Tangalin. Tangalin down. Tangalin. Mabibitawan. Ipinilit. Good for Dio. 66, 68. Kaliwa na lang. There's a whistle. Huwag mo na. Huwag mo na. Huwag mo na. Sir. Sino pa ang natin ba? Number 20, 23, 20. Okay, pag-ipalitan na lang po si sir. Kung di niya po kaya sir, maraming salamat. Okay, 2 shots tayo. Para kami Sir Fernandez ba? Arcilia. Okay. First one is good. 69-66. Second try, pasok pa rin. 66-70, apat lang. Number 77, Pineda. Nadaga, number 22, Ramos, extra pass. Papagay to the center, kaso wala ang big rebound. Arcilia, extra 5 minutes tayo. Binigay pass. Lion. Number 78, De Claro. Sarmiento, Pete. Drive, De Claro, 15 on the shot clock. Lion, reverse, wala. Number 2, Tamalin. Landagan, ma-forward landing for 2 points. Kabasa dalawa, 16-17. Binigay pass. Number 78 now. Pisa De Claro, 15 on the shot clock. Arcilia, Sarmiento to Lion. Back to Mr. Sarmiento, 8 on the shot clock. Down to 5, Arcilia, wala. Kuya ni Mr. Lion, balik tayo sa 14. 10 second shot clock. De Claro, wala. Bro pa rin yan ang EPT. There's a whistle. Foul on you, number 31, third personal foul on you. 13 foul. First right, pasok, 68-71. Second right, wala na yan. Stand by na muna, nasa. Number 5, Mr. Landagan now. Landagan sending a play. Landagan, bounce back to the center, Pineda. Move to, wala. Fernandez on the ground. Fernandez looking for his teammate. Three pass, Sarmiento. To Arcilia. Easy lang down, sabi ng Mr. Lion, 15 on the shot clock. Sarmiento na iwan mo ba? Second shot clock, Pamalin, babawi, wala. Arcilia na rebound, number 29, Mr. Lion. Live now. Lion. Binigay pass to the big man, babalik ang bola to the point guard. Second shot clock. Arcilia to the rest, Arcilia. Clear. Babawi, wala. Live on the ground, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Simple tayo. Saan tayo? Kamalinaw. Requesting timeout. That's the team of Live now. Bribas. Arcilia. Derecho. Libertio. Angat na sa 11. Sandoval. 2 minutes 23 seconds. Kick out pass. Portillo on the shot clock. Sandoval nakawala sa depensa ng Portillo. 76-79. 15 on the shot clock. Lion. Agad ng basa, agad Portillo. Last few minutes. Stop time na tayo mga sir. Good for 2 points. Second shot clock, 1 minute 42 seconds. 10 second shot clock. Ay bawang tayo na basket and 1. Pound committed to number 1, Sandoval, Santa. Santa, Rams out. Running for penalty na kayo ha. Ano ba? Bonus right, wala. 1 minute 35 seconds, 72-83. Wala pa rin, inalas bigla ang team ng Griffiths. There's always the one. Sino pa ang rep? Number 12? Tatlo ka na, Mr. Arcilia. And a warning for penalty na rin kayo. Both teams are running for penalty. First right is lead. Second try, pasok pa rin. Number 12. Foul number 1. Apat ka na, sir. Mr. Sandoval, apat ka na na penalty. First try, wala. 1 minute 10 seconds. Mr. Tumbling. Kick out, long way, wala. $59 seconds. Garcia. Pinigay pass, Macho. 15-second shot clock. Long way, awa, skid. Good for 3 points. Sarmiento is for 2. 89-77. 31 seconds. Shot clock. Last 12 seconds, wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. And the home team, congratulations CBT. Congratulations team ng Griffiths sa napakagandang laban na yan. Para sa ating best player, winning jersey number 29, Mr. Lion Patricio.